In case if you are getting a message such as WhatsApp storage full, then let us see how to easily clear the WhatsApp storage and make space for new messages. So for that one, I will open WhatsApp application. Then what I will do is I will tap on this settings icon, go to storage and data, select manage storage. Then here you can see the amount of space that is used for each contact, and if you find a contact which has the highest amount of storage used, then you can go inside that contact, and then you can see all the videos and photos that is sent by that contact, and you can delete those photos and videos so that you can make space. Similarly, you can go to the other contact and then delete the photos and videos which you don't need. In that way, you will be able to make space in your WhatsApp application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.